In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube playlist not working. Let's get started. First, close the YouTube app or browser completely and reopen it after a few minutes. These kind of error occurs when YouTube temporarily limits requests from your IP address. Waiting a short time before trying again can sometimes resolve the issue automatically. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Check if you have enabled any extension. To check that, click on three dots, go to the option extension, click on manage extension. From here, you can easily remove or disable any suspicious extension such as ad blockers or VPNs. Now clear browser cache and cookies, click on three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security. Click on delete browsing data, check in for all these options. Then click on the option delete data and confirm it. Next, check for app update. If you are using the browser, check for browser update. If any updates are available, just update it. Lastly, sign out of your YouTube account and sign back in. This refreshes your account session and can fix certain playlist related errors. If none of these solutions work for you, check whether YouTube is experiencing a temporary service outage or server issue, as the problem may not be on your end. You can head over to the official website of YouTube. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix YouTube playlist error 429. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.